180 now. When I walked it through, it was possible to shoot the paper from...
I saw that earlier too.
That sucks!
So you got to hit all 3 positions.
You just have to stay here for 2 seconds.
It's kind of shitty. So just all you really got are headshots here. That kind of sucks. Headshots and a hard lean.
Well, it says mag's off the belt. Your gun's off the belt. It doesn't help a whole lot.
You know, I try to, but a lot of times when I start running fast, I forget to. But yeah, you absolutely should. You should be crushing that gun. That's one of the biggest problems I have is when I start going fast, I start forgetting about all the details that make me shoot accurate.
Does that mean you managed? Oh.
That's what's written in there.
Yeah.
Why don't you bring out your decryptor card?
So it's hands up and gun unloaded.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why not start doing a handstand as well? It's like make it as hard as possible.
You cannot reliably demand handstand from competitors.
Says you.
Also unsafe because of the muzzle direction when holstered. You know that if you go prone with a gun that's loaded and holstered, it's DQ.
Yeah.
I mean, when you have you starting a Kimura, I mean...
That's right, there we go.
Unless your holster is upside down to begin with.
There you go. Or what if the holster just turns this way and points down range all the time?
Then you need to turn and go in.
So you're upside down and yet still... Or maybe require that we do cartwheels between there.
No, you cannot require that. Like, you guys would be joking, there are actually rules, like, against that shit.
Oh, I know. I imagine they have to make rules against anything you could possibly imagine because somebody will figure it out. Try it.
Either someone did it,
right?
Or someone thought about doing it. But before, like, in 80s, at Nationals, there was a stage that requires you to jump the fence. And that was testing your holster.
Really?
And what, your holster?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Stand by. Finished, no chocolate.